Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you, can you see a lock profile on Facebook? But first, check your special offer in the description. So let's get started. So you may have noticed that some people would have this UI or would have this notification here or description here. It's going to say this user locked his or her profile. So it means that the user actually protected their account. So people would not be able to view their photos, information, or even anything about them. But then again, the real answer or the real question here: can you actually view content if a profile is locked? Well, the direct answer and the direct answer to that is no. So as of right now, there is no way for you to view any information or any photo that user specifically published in their profile if they have their account locked. But in some cases, some people would allow you would give you the option to add them as friend. Now, if that's the case, you could just click on the add friend option here, and you just need to wait for them to basically accept your friend request. And once you are friends with a specific user, you would be able to view their content. Now, the lock feature here is only restricts people from viewing their profile if they are not friends. But once you're friends, you should be able to start viewing their photos or even their reels or anything that they posted in their account. Now, in some cases, you could also try using the option or the actions at the top right here. You could also like report this account, like for example, for welfare check. But then again, that's not recommended because typically their account may also get banned. But then again, that's the only way for you to view someone's profile if they have that locked. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.